Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna do a quick channel update here in this video in just a minute, but I want to tell you what the video is about first. This video is several different locations of me flying the Holybro Cinewhoop, the Kopis Mini Cinewhoop 4S around in different locations. I'm gonna edit like 3 or 4 different locations and chop it up and try to make it an interesting video. Try to make it pretty cool. I want to do some fancier editing on this one, so you guys are going to check that out in just a minute. But first I wanted to do a quick channel update and let you guys know what's going on, and tell everybody that's new to the channel welcome and thank you for subscribing to the channel. We've hit 1,300 subs now, so I'm super excited. We're moving on along, guys. We're moving it on up. But I wanted to do a quick channel update here and tell you guys what's going on. Up here I've got all the drones on this side that I plan to fix as soon as I get back. I'm going to tell you where I'm going in just a minute, but as soon as I get back, I'm fixing up all these drones. I got one more unboxing to do, the iFlight ProTech 25 analog. I'm going to unbox that, and then I got my Axial Yeti and my Arma Creighton 8S here. I'm going to fix both of them, get them both working, and make them FPV trucks. I'm going to turn both of those with either air units or something on there, so we have FPV live feed from the truck. So I'm going to make both of those into just the Creighton. I'm planning to make it into an absolute monster with FPV camera where it's fast and just set it up where it can handle anything. It's ready to go. And then the Axial Yeti, I don't know if I'll do it right away. I eventually want to put a head tracker on it where when you look sideways, you look out the side window and make it like you're actually riding on it. I think that'd be pretty cool, and then do some videos on it. Just future projects, things I plan on doing once I get back. I hope to get started on this stuff. And then, you know, here I got some drones that I need to repair. My Holybro Kopis Mini, it needs a new ESC. My Flywoo, it's still broke. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. My Stingy, it was in a bad crash. I just got to fix it, figure out what's wrong with it, and replace the parts. Here's my Moon Goat. I got to finish building it. I decided to put a Caddx Vista on it now. So it's got a Caddx on there and an iFlight 60 amp ESC and flight controller. And then I got my Stark here. This is just programming. I just need to finish up the programming. And this little Beta FPV Meteor 65. This thing is awesome for in the garage, but I got to get some new batteries for it. The batteries that I had went bad. They puffed on me. So they're no good, but I love this little Meteor 65. I'm going to get some new batteries for it. We're going to cruise it around here in the garage some more. But yeah, guys, that's kind of what's going on, where we're at. And you know, I'm getting ready to go to the lake with my dad and my kids for the week. Do some fishing. I'm going to do some drone flying. I can't wait to make those trucks into FPV trucks, guys. It's going to be a fun project. I'll probably go live while we're doing it. Hopefully I can get Tommy over here to help me with some of this stuff. I really need to get all these things right here caught up, so I have good stuff for the channel to make content with, and then we can move on to actually getting the rest of my RC trucks fixed. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, where I'm trying to head. And hopefully you guys are going to enjoy some of this content from the lake coming up later on this week. Keep watching for my 1-pack rips. They're going to be for me at the lake. And you guys check out this Cinewhoop footage. Edited up Cinewhoop footage from several different locations. Roll the film. If you're new, subscribe. And if you like the content, make sure you hit that like button for me. Later, guys. Later!
You're the only